Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add address on LastPass. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on lastpass.com and then get on the left side, select passwords. Now select add your first password. Now select address. Now enter here the name, enter here the folder. You can even add attachment by selecting on this button. Now enter here the title, enter here the first name, enter here the middle name, enter here the last name, enter here the username, enter here the gender, enter here the birthday. Now enter here the company. Now scroll down, enter here the address line 1, line 2, line 3, in which city or town do you live, your country, your state, your zip or postal code. Now scroll down again, your country again, your time zone, your email address, your phone number here, and after that you need to add your evening phone, mobile phone, fax, notes, and after filling up all of these details that I have just stated to you, you need to select on the save button which is on the bottom right corner, and that's how you guys can successfully add an address on LastPass. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.